just quickly have a look at TRVL. So TRVL, I've been talking about this a tightening structure, some sort of pennant formation. I've been talking about that for a week now, basically ever since we had our first pullback. I said it's more likely than not we're going to go up and down. And here we've kind of found a little bit of support. It's tightening. Is this impulsive again? Maybe not. I don't know. I can't tell. Yeah, it's not really the impulse that I'm expecting. We'll have to see what happens tomorrow. To be honest with you, I don't know. It is possible. So this is possible. So I just kind of want to consider the possibilities. It's possible we fake out and go down, and it's possible we fake out to go down to go back up. I'm considering fake outs now. Yeah, I'm considering a different type, because the thing is, if we don't break out now, then you've completed your ABCDE, and so the next breakout could be a weak breakout followed by a dump, or if it dumps, then I'm considering if it dumps, I'm considering, you know, I don't think that's likely anyway. I mean, it's possible it kind of dumps, and then do you know, this is the thing about these pennants, that's not bearish either, because actually what you're changing the formation. So right now we're in a pennant, and then if you, let's say you dump, you just form a flag. Yeah, so it just changes from a pennant to a flag. It's still bullish, but now we're flagging. Okay. So it's slightly different. If this doesn't want to happen, if this doesn't want to go up today or tomorrow, then we might just kind of form something else. If it goes up and fakes out, takes the high, then, and we get a rejection, yeah, then possibly we are going to go down again to take the lows. Yeah, then again you could be forming something completely different. You could be forming like a megaphone. Yeah, like patterns, if they don't complete the way you want them or you're expecting them, they can form other kinds of patterns as a result. And then if that was to happen, that would also potentially be bullish, but you'd have to obviously do a V-shaped recovery, take the top of the megaphone and kind of expand. So my thesis is still up. I'm not seeing any signs of kind of weakness in this consolidation. It's still looking bullish to me. And when I'm kind of looking at certain things like the MACD, was initially, there was hidden bullish divergence, and now we're just kind of going sideways, like really flattening out. I find that I find this quite bullish. It's not indecision, it's consolidation. Yeah, it's not weak consolidation either. It's just we flipped a level and now we're consolidating. It's very different to, it'd be very different if we hadn't been able to get past this, break this level. We flipped support, we flipped a resistance into support, and now the price is just consolidating. Effectively what it is, it's a reaccumulation zone that we're forming here. This is reaccumulation, and I think people are just looking for really good opportunities to buy now. Maybe people don't want to push the price up, maybe they're looking for a really good opportunity. Yeah, and that would be some kind of flag. It's you know, if the price suddenly came down to 50 cents or 52 cents or something, then you might get a lot of people go, oh wow, it's really cheap now, let me just buy. I probably would. Yeah, I think I would. I think if the price now, just looking at it, if the price pulled back 13% and came down to test 5.5, I think I would buy a lot of TRVL. I'll be looking to buy a lot of TRVL, but I'm not looking to pump it. That's going to happen on its own. Eventually you're just going to get no more selling and just more and more buyers, especially now with potentially with retail crypto and everyone just really bullish on tokens. They're going to be looking through these exchanges. Everyone's going to be looking at the charts, trying to think of what's a good chart, what to buy, what to sell. They'll be looking at TRVL. They'll be going, oh wow, look at this chart, it's looking really good. I like this is looking quite bullish, and they're going to start buying. Yeah, so they're looking for opportunities to buy. Some people will market buy, some people just wait for the dips, and most people will wait for the next big dip. And I think the key for us is not to sell, and just to kind of have either capital ready to buy the dip or place limit orders. Limit orders would be ideal, because the price will react and you'll get a buying tail just by the markets will show you where the support is. But with these kind of, a lot of people don't do that with altcoins, especially low illiquid ones or low liquid ones, and so we just have to see how far it drops, if it wants to drop. I'm not saying it's going to drop, I don't know. Okay, the longer this correction goes, the more bullish this becomes, just FYI. Yeah, so just bear that in mind. Yeah, so while people are starting to get a little bit antsy and hesitant and thinking, oh my god, this isn't going anywhere, my altcoins are pumping, XRP is going to the moon, whatever, should I sell TRVL and buy XRP? Hell no. Yeah, what you should do is consider this: the longer this consolidates, the more bullish it becomes. Yeah, the more we put volume here, the more bullish this becomes. It's just the way it works. Yeah, especially after we've had an expansive move from September to here. We're already at 200% up. If we can just consolidate here, consolidate here, consolidate here, we'll start showing some bullish divergences, and eventually we'll kind of rocket. Yeah, so it's actually better for us to consolidate here for a longer period than for us to just keep on going up, because what we want to do, just like Bitcoin, we want to create structure, solid structure, so that when we do go up, we don't come back down. We don't want to come back down again. Yeah, and in order to do that, every level that we kind of go up, we have to create this kind of structural base with volume, and then we can, when we go up, we've got a better platform to go up. Okay, nothing's changed regarding my targets. Everything's still the same. So you can just go back to my yesterday's video, the day before, and just have a look at those if you're interested to know what I'm thinking about what the Elliott waves, etc. So yeah, there's some good stuff posting on Dtravel. If you go and have a look at the X account, if anyone wants to help participate in pushing or helping with Dtravel, then just go onto X, go onto the Dtravel page, or just, I always retweet or repost their stuff, and you know, like this one, this is the top one that's been pinned, introducing the Traveler app. Find stays you can book peer-to-peer with crypto, built on Base and powered by the Night protocol. That's why I'm so bullish on TRVL being listed on Coinbase in the near future. Avoid Airbnb fees, book on-chain, earn TRVL. And here the team have put together a little video. Let me put it on. Oh, no sound. I pressed the mute button and it didn't unmute. It didn't unmute. Thanks for letting me know. So that was pretty good. That was right now. That's the Traveler app that's live now. You can go and book short vacation rentals anywhere around the world, as we have nearly 4,000 properties on our decentralized physical network. That is growing every day, and I expect that to grow exponentially. But we're kind of still at the very early stages. We're at the hyper growth stage. Yeah, we're in a hyper growth stage. Yeah, so this is the most profitable for everyone who's invested in Dtravel and in TRVL. So just bear that in mind, because this is a real world business. This isn't some imagination. We're actually decentralizing peer-to-peer vacation rentals and Airbnb. We're decentralizing Airbnb effectively, getting rid of Airbnb so people can book peer-to-peer using crypto, using fiat too, and it's fully insured. And then there's some other kind of ingenious innovations we're developing to do with the Night protocol and the AI agent in connection with the fetch AI. So there's a lot of good things happening here. If you're watching this and if you don't have any TRVL, what are you waiting for? Like literally what are you waiting for? What are you waiting for? I'm not shilling it because I need you to buy it. I just know that we're going to hit the all-time high, and the all-time high is at 1.56, and so we're trading at around 6 cents. Okay, so I think well, do your own research, but I'm gonna have a look. So if you want to engage, just, if you don't mind, retweet that, repost that, like that, comment, tag your friends, tag people. Yeah, let's get people involved. Let's share this. Everything that we do, anyone who's invested or has a little bit of TRVL, anything that you do on X helps grow the brand, and it helps gets the word out, and it's a community driven movement. That's why I'm involved, because I'm the community. I don't get paid. I do it because I see this as a community movement, and it's kind of fun as well, like travel, vacations, seeing different places. It's more, for me, it's more interesting than some other crypto projects that I see, which is like, I don't know, buy a meme coin, buy a dog coin. I don't know, it's not, I don't find that too much fun. All right, so that's TRVL. Any questions there?